Hi everybody, welcome back to Pressure Crisp. Today we're going to be making, we're going to be using the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker. I already have it preheating just to save a little bit of time. I am going to show you how to set it to sear saute. We're going to be making some garlic butter beef bites. And all the ingredients are in front of you, what we need. I have about 2 pounds of stew meat that's already cut up. I have about 4 or 5, I'm using yellow potatoes. They're cut up to about that size. Also, 8 ounces of sliced bella mushrooms. You can use white mushrooms or shiitake, whatever you want. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to use a little bit of garlic powder. Worcestershire sauce. A stick of butter. A packet of Lipton onion soup mix. A packet of the Au Jus mix. And some more garlic. And 1 cup of beef broth. I'm using the Better Than Bouillon. I'll show you how I'm going to mix this up. We're going to use my frother. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. You're going to turn it down to sear saute and set to 400. Just hit start. So that's heating up. I did most of my prep work ahead of time just to save time. I'm not going to be adding any salt to this recipe because of everything that I'm using. I think it's going to be high sodium. So you do want to add like a little black pepper to your meat, and we're going to put it right in here and we're going to brown it. You don't have to do this step, but I find it adds a little bit more flavor. So I'm just going to go ahead, drop that in there. And we're just going to brown this up. This should take anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes. So next up, what I'm going to add, I'm going to use granulated garlic. If you have garlic powder, just go ahead and use that. Just going to go over the top of it, just like this. Maybe a teaspoon, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Just give this a stir. There we go. All right, next up, now basically what we're going to add is I'm going to add those mushrooms, which is like 8 ounces of a pre-sliced packet. Going to go ahead and add the Au Jus mix. This is the beefy onion that I'm adding. I'm going to take some Worcestershire sauce, maybe like 1 to 2 tablespoons. There we go. Oh, you know what I wanted to add? I didn't add it. I'm just going to add like a half of a yellow onion that's diced up. And we're going to go ahead and add those potatoes. A little bit more garlic. I'm going to add like a tablespoon of the pre-sliced cut garlic. Maybe I'm adding 2 tablespoons. Just add the garlic, the amount that you like. And I'm going to take that cream of mushroom soup, add that. So we're going to give this a stir. Okay. And my cheat for the Better Than Bouillon is I use my frother. It's not perfect, but it mixes it up better. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in. Give it one more stir. And last but not least is the butter. There we go. Go ahead and pop a lid on it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to stop that. And then We're on high. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it on high, and then let's check the time. Let's set it for 6 hours, and we're just going to hit start. And I'll check back with you in 6 hours. So it's been cooking about 6 hours. We're going to taste test it now. It's been smelling so good in here, guys. I'm going to have to be completely honest with you. I tried it earlier. The meat wasn't as tender, so we're going to test it now to see if the meat is tender. So I'm going to take the cover off. Drop for the steam. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa. Oh, I should have had you guys come over and look at this, but this is fantastic. Ow. Look at this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I just wanted you guys to see this. If you wanted to thicken this up, you could probably do the cornstarch slurry or like a flour butter roux. But I think it's perfect for just dunking bread. Let's give this a whirl. Let's take a tiny piece of meat here. It smells so good. Sorry. The meat just falls apart. Let's try the potatoes. Mushroom. This is fantastic. I will be making this again, and I probably will. So I'm probably going to take this camping with me this weekend because I put it in my handy dandy crock pot that plugs into the car. Yeah. Yeah, you guys have to make this. It's really, really good. It's fantastic. Yeah, I'm sorry. Pat myself on the back. So stay tuned for more vids, and thanks so much for watching, everybody. See ya.